New Zealand almost capsized.
Oh my
gosh.
Got attack, got attack, got attack. Keep going, Hydro. Oh, back, coming back, coming back.
New Zealand had the right of way there.
Goodness. I think not only that, but New Zealand's going to get a penalty on them here right now. They almost flipped this thing over. My goodness, that's incredible.
So the protest filed by the Americans, the Kiwis just happy to have their boat back on the water.
That is a rattled Dean Barker there right now. There's no other way about it. That was an incredible turn of events and a penalty on New Zealand. Port starboard against New Zealand in the middle of that near fateful flip over.
Well, it's a boat-on-boat penalty, so New Zealand's already behind. The penalty's already gone away. But Oracle waiting to read.
Well, here it is one more time. Kenny, what went wrong for Dean Barker and his crew?
Their wing didn't pop, so their wing is popped the wrong way. It has not actually gone over to the new side until right there. Their wing did not actually tack. It's just amazing whether that's a hydraulic failure or a human failure. We're not going to know, but watch, they're on port tack right now. The wing is on port tack, and it never actually pops. It stays on port tack through this whole maneuver. Just acts like a wall instead of a wing, and the windage of that wall almost flipped the boat over.
Here it is on board, maybe the most dramatic footage we have so far. Emirates Team New Zealand puts it up on that left side hole, and it just doesn't come back.
Hydro, Hydro, Hydro. Keep going, Hydro.
Todd, I think you hear hydro, hydro, hydro. That means that they don't have the pressure in the system that is needed to actually maneuver that wing. If the pressure isn't there, the wing won't pop. It's one of the features of this Team New Zealand wing. They didn't have the hydraulics necessary.